Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to swap Command and Option keys on your MacBook's keyboard to make your shortcuts look a bit more Windows styled. So, as you may know, on MacBooks we use Command C and Command V to copy and paste, which is similar to what we would have on Windows if we had Alt-C and Alt-V instead of Control-C and Control-V. So the Control is actually the Option key, but if you want to, you can as well swap Command and Control button instead of these two. But anyways, this is totally up to you. I'm just gonna show you how to easily do it. So all we have to do is open System Settings on our MacBook. And in System Settings, we're gonna have to scroll down the sidebar until we find Keyboard here. Then in Keyboard, we're gonna have to go to Keyboard Shortcuts, then scroll down to Modifier Keys, open Modifier Keys menu, and then make sure that your internal keyboard is selected. And here you can replace Command and Option, and if you want to, you can also replace Command and Control, basically anything you want. So in order to replace Command and Option, next to Command key, select Option, and next to Option key, select Command. And now if we copy something, let's copy something from the gallery. So if you press Option C, while having a photo selected, and then Option V, then we will paste the object to our desktop. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.